What's up everybody, Thomas from DCFV, and today I'm gonna fly my first Racetrack. I never flew track before. I flew gates once, but never a set track. And I'm not gonna lie, it's very hard. My style is completely different, my rates are freestyle. 6S is way overpowered, but I think long story short, it's something you really get used to, and you don't have to fly pretty, you have to fly good and fast. Completely different than my freestyle or cinematic flying, but it was very fun and competitive. But most of all it was very fun with the guys. Nice group we were flying with today. I was invited, and yeah, it was a top day, so definitely up for it again. Here you can see somebody got taught FPV, and the person who came walking up from the field was Roland. He invited me, thanks for the invite. This was a track, and so a little bit ripped up already, but this was, I think, kind of at the end of the day. And yeah, this is they're gonna take off. I think it's the digital group, not sure, but it was very nice. It was mixed pilots, different skill levels, ages. It didn't really matter. We had a fun day together. Nice weather, and yeah, could not withstand it, so I entered the little track a little bit with my small 3-inch filming drone, but later on you can see me fly with my 5-inch Nazbasher, and I really get my bash on. I think I finished the track like once or something, but mainly it was trying and practice. It was a great day.
Days from my moments, oh, it be stuck in my mind. Don't think anymore. I said goodbye, but I never find a way. Oh, and now you're gone. You're gone. You're going stuck in.